The next thing we're going to do is to write equivalent fractions. And equivalent fractions, again, just means that they're equal. And so before we did this, when we were simplifying fractions, if I had a number like 12 over 24, I divided the top and the bottom by the greatest common factor of both. And now I'm going to go in the opposite direction. So I'm going to take some fraction and multiply it instead of divide it by the same thing on top and on bottom. And of course, it's okay for us to do that as long as we're being fair and doing the same to the top and the bottom. Because if I multiply something by 12 over 12, 12 over 12 is really just 1, and it's okay to multiply something by 1. So let's take a look. These questions ask us to rewrite each fraction with the indicated denominator. So if I have 3/5 and I want to know how many 30ths that is, I would say, what number would I take times 5 to get to 30? Well, 5 times 6 is 30. And if I multiplied the bottom by 6, I would have to multiply the top by 6, which would give me 18 over 30. 7 times 7 would be 49, so 6 times 7 is 42. And careful, I have a variable on this one. 3 times what is 12x? 3 times 4x. So I'm going to take the top times 4x also, which would give me 8x. Try these similar questions on your own, then press play to see how you did. For my first, I have 2x times what would be 10xy. So I'd have to take 2 times 5 and see how there's this extra y. So I would have to take it times 5y. If I do that on top and on bottom, that would leave me with 5y over 10xy. 9 over 45, 5 times 9 would have been 45, so I would have to take 9 times 9 to get 81 over 45. And 7x times 3 would be 21x, so 2 times 3 is 6.